everybody.
Hi y'all.
And welcome to our Stitch Fix Day.
Yay.
We are the Southern Belles. My name's Wanda.
And I'm Rebecca.
And we are so glad to have you join us.
It's been a while.
Yeah, we've had a little hiatus, I guess you could say.
Yeah.
Just a lot of things happening that we just needed a little bit of a
break.
Yeah, just needed to process some things and
Yeah.
all, but
everything's okay. We just, you know, life can get a little bit crazy sometimes.
Exactly. But I am really excited about this Stitch Fix because I guess this is like a vacation Stitch Fix.
Yes.
And I don't usually ask my stylist, Nicole, for a lot of things, but I kind of had like a big old list today.
Yeah, you want to tell
I gave her.
them where we're going on vacation?
You can tell them.
We're going to Disney!
Are you surprised? If you watch our other channel, are you surprised? But yeah, I asked for some trainers or to walk comfortable shoes. I asked for a light layer because sometimes, even though it's like suffocatingly hot,
when you go inside,
yeah.
I tell you, you really do need to pack. This is just a tip from a Disney veteran. If you ever go to Disney, even if it's in the middle of the summer, pack like a light jacket or something, a cardigan to cover up with, because here's what happens in the summer in Florida. It's super hot, but then all of a sudden there's a thunderstorm. You get drenched. You go inside. The air conditioners are on full blast. Then you freeze. So it's always good to have a little something to take with you.
It is true. We always call it the 2 o'clock shower.
Yes.
What else did I ask for? I think I asked for some shorts maybe and some comfortable tops. Some cool tops.
Does it feel like there's shoes in there? Oh, yeah, it kind of does.
Oh, and I asked for a crossbody bag.
Or a bag. There's something heavy in there, though. So, we'll see.
Okay, so here we go. When we open it, it looks like this. And I guess I should tell you a little bit about Stitch Fix.
I'm peeking.
If you don't know about Stitch Fix, it is a clothing styling service that also has accessories. And for a $20 styling fee, your stylist will pick 5 items for you to try in the comfort of your own home so that you can see what you have to go with it. That's the part I like the best.
Me too.
Because when, I have been in the store so many times and I have bought things and then I come home and I have
nothing to wear it with.
Nothing. Yes.
And, well, this is probably the positive side of that, but sometimes I'm out shopping and I see a piece and I think it's really cute and I think, I don't have anything to wear that with. And then I get home and I'm like, oh, I could have worn it with that.
Yeah. So it goes both ways, but this way you get to try it on with things that are already in your closet. If you would like to try Stitch Fix, I will leave a link down below and it will give you $25 towards a purchase, your first purchase. So that is what I would recommend doing. Even if you don't use my link, go and check out some other videos.
Yes.
And sometimes they do give you the opportunity to offer a $50 or even $100 reward. Credit. Thank you.
Credit. I was trying to think of the word.
Thank you so much. But if anything that you don't want, you're not obligated to buy anything. If you do buy something, then the $20 styling fee will come off of that purchase. And you have a self-addressed or an addressed envelope that you can just pop your items back in here that you don't want. Free shipping both ways. So I think that's everything. Okay. I'm excited to read the note from, is it Nicole? Tell me if it's Nicole.
Okay.
If it's Nicole, I know I'm okay.
It's Nicole! Do you want me to read it or do you want to wait and see what you get first?
Let's wait. Okay. Let's wait. Okay. Oh, there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Oh, this is the invoice.
The price.
We won't look at that
The
right
moment
now.
of truth right here.
They have a new thing. If you haven't seen, or if you haven't looked at Stitch Fix's website lately, they've got all kinds of new stuff. If you have tried Stitch Fix, they have what you have purchased, and then they style it with some other things, and you can actually go in and buy those things. I guess that's, well, this is shop by category, so you can go in. I don't know if you tried this out.
I don't think so.
If you want to look at their pants, you just go to the pants category. I can't talk today, y'all. I'm sorry. Fitness, wear, all kinds of things. So that's telling about that. And that's just, oh, I saw something. I'm going to go ahead and get it out.
Oh, yay! appropriate for this time of year. Like the colors, I like the colors.
It's like a yellow or either a really light
Mustard, like a really light.
tan, or
It looks like honey mustard.
and it has golden hardware. It's Fiorelli by Fiorelli.
That is nice.
That's cute. Now, normally I would not go for a bag like this because it's small, and I usually have everybody's stuff in my in my pocket. But not that I carry it around, but I was thinking for Disney or something, it would be nice to have a smaller type thing that fits around you so that you don't have to worry about it.
It's a very flat design. Like the bag is very flat.
And it has a bag. It has like a dust bag in there.
I know.
It has a place, 2 pockets.
I guess for your phone
Here,
or your wallet.
Of course, the crossbody.
I like that.
It has a zipper pocket as well. Here. That's kind of what I was looking for. It's a little bigger than I was looking for, but
It's still small
it's still
though.
smaller
it's still
than,
small.
and I do like that it's flat because that'll keep me from carrying so much.
Yeah, it'll keep, be more out of the way.
And then there is a zipper on the front as well.
Cool.
And it has like a gray, almost striped lining. So I like that. Okay. I like the color. I like the
I like that.
lighter tone.
That's really nice.
Okay. So here is my bundle.
I'm going to throw the box down where the cat can get it. Pumpkin! Pumpkin! Oh, she's sleeping. She's not paying me any attention.
We haven't done it this way in a long time.
You're right, we haven't.
So y'all know I haven't tried these on ahead of time. Okay.
It just came today, so.
Oh, I need to pop that over there. Okay.
I saw some pretty colors.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like this thing on top.
Okay.
That's
Oh, this
pretty.
is by Market and Spruce.
That'll be cool.
Oh, look at the detail in the back.
Oh, the little buttons.
It has little buttons
It's
in
got
the
these
back.
little buttons here.
This looks cool.
It does look
now,
cool.
I'm hoping it's not too see-through.
I don't think so. No.
I really like that.
That's really pretty.
I don't know if the yellow will work on me because yellow's kind of tricky on me sometimes.
You're beautiful.
You're sweet. Okay. All right. This feels like a t-shirty type. That's a pretty color.
That is a pretty color. I like the little details on the front too.
Yeah.
It's got these little like lace
Crochet type
details.
stripes, and I like the V-neck. I like the color. I think there was a top in my last Stitch Fix that was similar to this color, and I told them I didn't keep the top, but I told Nicole how much I loved the
Yeah,
color.
that's so pretty.
This is so soft. I like that too. Okay, this is my light layer. Now I don't know if I would wear this in Florida though.
It is pretty thick.
Yeah.
I mean, for Florida.
But I do like it.
That's pretty.
It is a beautiful cardigan. Look, if you can see that detail, the working, the pattern that's in this, I really love this cardigan. It's beautiful. So pretty, and it's straight. And I have some different cardigans. I have some of the waterfall type, but I found that the straight looks better on my particular body type. So
Cool.
okay, that is beautiful. I think I may be in trouble.
I think I'm going to like this next item.
Okay.
Those are so cute.
Oh, they're shorts.
And they're polka dotted.
I asked for shorts. I asked for a longer length short. I would say that's probably what, 4 inches maybe?
Probably.
5 inches.
Mm-hmm.
Shorts are tricky for me. I feel self-conscious in them sometimes. I mean, right before we videoed this, I watched Miss Linda Roy at Mature Sass, and she did a video styling shorts 3 different ways, like casual, dressy, and it really was dressy, and a professional even way of styling them, and she just looks so beautiful in everything. So hopefully I'll get some inspiration from her. But okay,
Those are cute.
yeah, they're polka dot. I like those.
Those are cute.
These are I got a lot of Market and Spruce. In fact, I think the last couple of tops I kept were Market and Spruce, and that may be why.
So.
Is everything Market and Spruce? This one, the cardigan is.
Let me look at the spoilers or whatever they're called.
Oh, this is Pink Clover. This one's Pink Clover.
Everything except for the, yeah.
And then
Mhm.
the crossbody.
And yeah.
I am excited to try these on. My pocketbook may not be, but I'm excited. So I hope this isn't an extremely expensive fix.
There's some nice stuff here.
Yeah, we're gonna see. Okay, here we go. All right, here are 4 of the 5 items in my fix, and I really like this bag. And I am not a crossbody bag person, but I love the bag. I'm not sure how much the bag costs, but Rebecca's going to tell us.
The crossbody is the Rami crossbody by Fiorelli, and it's $54.
Oh, oh. Okay, that's.
I mean, for a Stitch Fix crossbody, that's a pretty good price.
Yeah, I guess it's standard.
Yeah.
So I like it. I'll have to think about it, but I do like it.
It's cute.
Yeah. Okay.
And it would go with just about anything.
Yeah, it really would. It would be comfortable to carry. Okay, let's talk about the cardigan next.
The cardigan is Market and Spruce Bonny Duster Scalloped cardigan, and it is $48.
Okay. I think this cardigan is beautiful, but it is so warm.
Yeah.
I really want to keep it, you know, because I really think it's beautiful. But even indoors, I think I would be. Well, I'm indoors now,
Yeah.
and I'm really warm in it.
And just maybe not what you're looking for right now.
Yeah, but it is gorgeous, and it's going to be hard to let this one go.
Yeah.
If I do. Tell me what you think. I mean, it's white. You can get a lot of wear out of it. This would be good for early spring here.
Yeah, it would be.
Okay. So this one, I'm kind of, I don't know. I like it, but it's not what I'm looking for at the moment. But it's beautiful. It is so pretty.
I love the details.
I do too. Okay. Whew.
It's getting hot.
Very warm.
Just wearing it for the video.
Okay. All right. And then the shirt.
Okay. So this shirt is the pink Clover Julissa Embroidery Detail Knit Top in dark pink, and it is $34.
I like the V-neck, and it does have this pretty detailing. It's rather thick.
Yeah, it looks like it's a thick. Oh, I guess it's knit, so it's a thicker material.
It's a thicker t-shirt type, and I really do like it. But we're also going to be doing a Walmart Cato haul video.
Yes, you'll see that soon.
And I got some t-shirts that were similar, maybe not as pretty, you know, but still. There were t-shirts, and I got them for really, really cheap. So I'm not really looking at keeping this. And 2, I'm not sure about the color on me. This isn't quite the same color as the last top. You know, it's not the same shade. Maybe it's the same color. Okay, now let's talk about the shorts.
The shorts are my favorite thing that you have on. They are the Market and Spruce Elicia 7-inch embroidered shorts. They're embroidered?
I think the back pockets are.
Oh, okay, very cool. They're light blue, and they're $58.
$58, which is standard for Stitch Fix shorts.
They're so cute.
And you could roll them up if you wanted to. If these were too long for you. My words are just coming out.
They're really
so you could roll them up. But they're cute, and this color, I mean, I think you'd have to go with a solid top, but I think you could wear different colors with it. So I'm leaning towards keeping these. Tell me what you think.
I think you should.
All right. I only have one item left, so we'll be back. And here's the last top.
It's so cute.
It's cool. I mean, it's cool. And we both thought it was going to be not fluffy, flowy.
Flowy, yeah.
I told y'all. I'm just having the worst time with my words. What I do like is it does seem to create a waist in me, which is one of my problems, because usually I'm very rectangular, I guess you could say. And What about the yellow? Do you think the yellow is
I
okay
like the
with
yellow.
my skin tone?
Yeah, I think
I
yellow's
like
pretty.
the shade of yellow.
It's so summery. It's just the shape of it is just so sweet on you.
And then here's the little button detail. What about my hip, Rebecca? Does it make it look high? No?
No.
Okay.
That's so cute.
Oh.
So this is the Fiorelli. Oh no, that's not right. This is the Market and Spruce Hemingway Henley top, and it's $58.
Ooh.
So it is a little higher. Is the only thing.
I like the material. I'm gonna have to look and see what material this is. I bet I really do like the way it feels. It's pricey, and we're gonna have to see what the total amount of this fix is, because I really like. Well, these are Stitch Fix shorts, but I really like the shorts, the polka dot shorts. I really like the crossbody. I love that cardigan. It's just not the season for it here, and I love this top, and the t-shirt's okay. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it at all. So we've got some choices to make, so let's sit down and let's see what we got. Okay, so
Oh, this makes it hard when you love everything but you're trying to save money. That makes it so hard.
yeah, I want some vacation money. Would you guys tell me what you think, because this is the first day that I've gotten a Stitch Fix, so I don't have to send it back right away, and I really would like your input. Let's see what the total and all that is.
Okay. Let me find the prices.
What Stitch Fix is this for me?
This is your Stitch Fix number 38.
Wow.
So the total price is $252 before the discount. If you buy all of the pieces, you get a 25% discount, which takes off $63, bringing the subtotal to $189. Shipping is free, bringing the total to $189. That's hard.
It's really hard, because the three items that I like the best are the
Crossbody,
the most expensive ones.
the shorts, and the top.
So I know that's
Yellow
well
top.
over $150 for those three items, and then it's $189 for all five. If I just kept two, that would still be what, $112?
About 100 and something.
So
That's so hard.
yikes! I do not know what to do. Normally, I do. I have a really good idea of what I want to do. I don't know.
It's hard.
Oh my goodness. I would appreciate it if y'all would help me out.
Help us.
And tell me, maybe tell me the two items that you liked the best, or if I should keep all five. One reason I'm hesitating is because I really want to get a wantable active edit. I've never received one of those, never ordered one of those before, but I have recently started working out again.
We've been doing it together.
Yes, in fact, that's why I'm kind of today, because I had a morning class that was, it was intense. But I feel great because of it. But there are some things that I need, you know. Yeah, I don't know what to do.
You'll figure it out.
So, well, we're not going to prolong it any, but if you would, please comment what you like the best. And we love having you here with us. We appreciate
thank you for joining us.
We appreciate those of you that have subscribed to us. Those of you that we love to hear from. There are those that when I get the comments, you know, it's like friends. You know,
it is. You just talk back and forth, and you get to know each other. It's really nice.
So we enjoy that a lot. So, okay, well, this is our Stitch Fix, and we love hearing from you. So until next time,
Y'all take care.
be sure to join us for our Cato and Walmart haul that's coming up.
That's right. That'll be a good one. We found some good things.
Yes. All right. Well, we'll see you. Bye-bye.
See ya. Bye-bye.